All right, so we are going to make a video of how to do this thing called simple and compound interest. All right, I told y'all that it's not hard, it's just a formula and it's going to come with practice. So now you can watch this video while you're eating dinner, while you're taking a shower or whatever. Just listen to the words and it'll kind of put it in your brain on how to put it in the calculator. All right, here's the problem. It's pretty long. All right, so I'm gonna give you a minute just to read it. All right, that should be long enough, right? Now we're gonna clear our RAM, second plus 712. That's always the first thing you do. And we're going to just put some information down to the side here. All right, it says Keisha deposited a total of $750. There's the principal. All right, two different banks, a total of 750 at two different banks. All right, one in bank A, she did 450. Okay, 3% interest. And they know the time is 3 years. Okay, this is simple interest, mind you. This is simple interest. So how do you put simple interest in the calculator? That's P R T. All right, principal rate time. Press enter. Okay, now that is the amount of interest. Okay, remember I told you need to be able to calculate interest, calculate the balance, and compare. That's the amount of interest. So let's figure out what's her total balance. 450 plus the $40.50 equals 490. That's her total. All right, let's go to B. B says she deposited $300. So principal is 300. Okay, it says 2 5/10% interest compounded annually. That means our formula is going to change a little bit to 1 plus the interest rate. That's how you write 2 5/10 because I moved it 2 times. Close it, and then I need to raise the time, which is 3 years, to an exponent. See, I raised it up to an exponent. I pressed the caret symbol, press enter. Now that number is her total balance. But I want to figure out what's the interest. So 323 067. That should be rounded to 7 cents. I hope I didn't confuse anybody with that. It's just rounding, 8th graders, and subtract. Now I know both my interests, I know both my balances, and now I can compare. Let's see what's the question say. Which amount is closest to the combined balance of the two accounts? Combined, that means add. Well, the balance of the simple interest account is 490 and 50 cents. The balance of the compound interest was 323 and 7 cents. Add those two things together, you get 813.57. Y'all see that answer? Because I do. All right. So that's how you put it in the calculator. That's what you need to be able to do. Find the entrance of both accounts, find the balance of both accounts, and be able to, if need to, compare them. All right. So I hope this video helps. If y'all have any questions, you know where to reach me.